Hi everyone, today I've got an LG G3. I just bought it on eBay for £35. It's a fully functional phone. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna replace the Digitizer on it. So I'm not gonna take apart this phone. I've got another another LCD to make just a trial. Let's say it's a fully functional LCD, so I'll try on this one. Okay, the Digitizer is here. It cost me like £14 online to buy it. It's genuine LG Digitizer. I'm not gonna buy something crap, you know. After you do so much work, you'll end up finding out that it's not gonna work proper. So it's better to pay more money, but you're gonna end up having a good quality Digitizer. So I've got the machine set up for 100 degrees. This is every time what I'm gonna use. It's gonna separate the LCD really fast. So let's see, the phone is still functional. If you can see, it's just password protected. But as soon as I got the Digitizer fixed, I'll just reflash it and that's it. So let's see. It's gonna be an easy job to do if you've done like basic glass replace. It's not difficult. So I'll just turn off the phone. So I'm just gonna use the cutting wire, this one, 0.01 millimeter. So let's see to the LCD. Take off the mesh, otherwise it's difficult to pry in between. So let me check, can you see properly? Yep. This machine is not the best. There's also with vacuum pump machines, I think it's much better, but I just don't want to invest now. Need to be careful. If I push too much down, the screen is gonna snap. It's gonna crack. So with the wire, it will be an easy job to do. You can do it with a freezer nowadays, but who the hell does have a freezer home? So to separate, it's gonna be a simple process. It's better by wire. If you're using cards, you can damage it really easy, really fast. But with wire, it's straight away. Make sure you don't scratch the polarizer, otherwise it will be difficult to replace. And I don't have the machines to do that. That's it, and just go back and it's a job done. That's it. Now you'll see it will come off easy. Let's disconnect the Digitizer. It's attached by the LCD. That was easy, really easy, isn't it? It's like just a minute maximum. So let's just separate this. You don't care about the Digitizer because you just have a new one. What's most important is just the flex, the LCD flex. That's more important. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna heat up a bit the flex because it's some sort of a glue or double tape in between. So I want to take it off easy. That's it. It's like a copper tape. So yeah, we've got a digitizer which is just fucked. What I got here is just the LCD, which we're gonna test before, so I don't want to do a job without even knowing if it's still functional. This is a really easy glue to remove, so let's just remove the glue. So let's just test the LCD. Okay, let's just have a look. Let's just do it again. Man, it's just dead. The fuck is happening? I think the battery is really low. That's what's happening. Contact. What's the matter? Oh yeah, it wasn't connected proper, but if you want to see, I'll turn off the light. You can see the display works just fine. It's a good display. Yeah. It's a really nice display, isn't it? Just a display I want to test, nothing more.